Good day, everyone. I am Marilyn Villalon, your teacher. So for today's video, we're gonna tackle about some and different formulas of cosine. In this video, we are going to explain how to find the exact value of a trigonometric expression with angles and radians and degrees using the sum and different formulas and identities of cosine. There are two formulas that we need to remember when we are talking about the sum and different formulas and identities of cosine. The first one is cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And the second one is cosine A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So these are the formulas that we need to remember in order for us to find the exact value of trigonometric expression. So now let's start and let's have an example. So the first example is cosine 15 degree. So how can we use the sum and difference formula to evaluate the cosine 15 degree? So first, we need to find the two angles that can be add or subtract the 15 degree. So that is 45 degree and 30 degree. But our sign is missing. Let's find. So 45 degree and we need to subtract 30 degree. So we get the cosine 15 degree. So therefore, we need to use the cos A minus B, and that is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. And now let's put the given here. So our cosine A is 45 degree. So cos 45 degree and cos B is 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. Copy the sign plus then sin A is 45 degree and sin B is 30 degree. And next, let's find the cos 45 degree. So our 45 degree in hand technique, so 0, 30, 45. So this is the 45. Then, so our cosine is square root of 2 over 2. And our cosine 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Plus sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. And our sine 30 is the square root of 1 over 2. It will become 1/2. Next, let's simplify. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6 over 2. Copy the denominator plus 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Square root of 2. Copy the denominator. So this is our final answer. So now let's have another example. So the given is cosine 75 degree. So let's find the angles or the two angles. So that is a 45 degree and 30 degree. So our sign is missing. So let's find. So if you add 45 degree and 30 degree, it will become 75 degree. So, therefore, we need to use the formula of cos A plus B equals cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So, our sign is positive. Let's substitute the value. So, cos A is 45 degree. And our cos B is 30 degree. Minus sine A, 45 degree. And sine B, 30 degree. So now, let's calculate. So cos 45 degree using finger tricks. So 45 degree cos is square root of 2 over 2. And our cosine 30 degree is square root of 3 over 2. So copy the sign minus and sine 45 degree is square root of 2 over 2. And our sine 30 degree is square root of 1 over 2 is equivalent to 1/2. So let's simplify. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Square root of 6 over 2. Copy the sign. And then 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So square root of 2. Copy the denominator. And this is our answer. And we need to multiply this the denominator. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So square root of 6, copy the sign, square root of 2 over 2 times 1 is equal to 4. So this is our final answer.